What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today I'm doing something a little bit different. We do have a case video, but today will be the top 5 cases for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and this is not in any specific order. We just doing the top 5, and make sure y'all subscribe and let me know in the comments if y'all would like to see more content like this in the future. Let's get into it. So we're going to start it off with a case from UAG. This is a new case this year. This is the Plasma XTE. Now, they had the Plasma in previous years, but this is a Plasma and it has a kickstand MagSafe ring on it. As you can see, a very rugged case protecting your cameras and things of that nature. UAG branding, nice bolstered up buttons with slits in it, and you also getting a nice raised lip. The kickstand is very nice, metal construction, MagSafe powers. So this is the Plasma XTE from UAG. Link will be down in the description. Now, this is a very budget-friendly case from a company called Surreal. This is the Ultra color and this is in a dust colorway. Matches really nice with my titanium black S24 Ultra, and even though I prefer the individual camera cutouts, I think how they got the raised up lip around the camera stylized with the Surreal branding, and it's, you know, white, so it kind of pops in contrast, look really cool. It's not a MagSafe case, you can wirelessly charge. Has a tacky grip on the side and slits in the button press for a good button press. You also getting a fairly raised lip. Now, this is one of them cases you order when you pre-order your phone, so you don't have to go into the AT&T or Verizon store and spend $50 on the case. This is like a $20 case. I'll put a link down in the description. Okay, folks, this is the Ultra Hybrid from ESR, and I feel like they just did a lot right with this case. This case has MagSafe powers, and one of the most important things to me is it has individual camera cutouts. Look how clean the back of this case look, because you don't see the gray from the titanium black S24 Ultra. Just a really clean case with MagSafe, a lot of raised up protection around your camera lenses, and also bolstered up in the corners for some protection. So it is not the bulkiest case, but it's offering some real protection. Take a look at the sides. You got some protruding buttons with slits for easy natural button press, and it does have a raised lip around the front of the display. So this is the ESR Ultra Hybrid. Just a really good looking case, really affordable, and they just did a lot right with this case with the little things that I like about a case. So this is one of these cases, if you into carbon fiber, Kevlar, if you into aramid fiber, this is one of the top cases right here. This is the Paka Mag Easy 4 for your S24 Ultra, and this is a very minimal case, very acquired taste. I love carbon fiber cases, and I've noticed through the years using carbon fiber cases that some of them have really good textures, and this is one that has a real authentic aramid fiber feel. You can feel the weaving. It's just a very quality and also super minimal. As you can see on the side, it's just basically enough case to keep the case on the device. You get a natural button press. You can see the titanium sides of my S24 Ultra. A super minimal case that does offer MagSafe, and I like the touch that they did with their branding on this individual camera cutout. It's a good looking case. Just a minimal raised lip, but this case is not for protection. This is an acquired taste. But when you talk about aramid fiber cases, guys, this is one of the most quality textures that you'll feel with the MagSafe, and it's one of the most minimal with MagSafe. Last but not least, this is the Belroy leather case for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now, this case is definitely a nice leather case. As you can see, they designed it a little bit different. It is now plastic on the top and bottom. I think that's because previous Belroy cases had a problem at the edges with the leather, but this thing is nice and tight. It's got individual camera cutouts. It's got a nice metal button press that goes well with the leather case. You also get a raised lip around the front display, but definitely better than the vegan leather that Samsung offers. It's not a whole bunch of Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra leather cases on the market, but this is one of the best right here. Yeah, but it's your boy BG Tech Life. Thank y'all for tuning in. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Let me know if y'all want me to do more videos like this. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.